This is Pioneer's TS-A709. This is a 2 3/4 inch wide range tweeter and custom fit replacement speaker for loads of different General Motors and Toyota vehicles. Let's take a look and I'll show you what's in the box. Alright, we'll spin this around and pop it open there. Alright, the first thing we get here is a little bit of packing. Get that out of the way. And then we have the two tweeters, the two 2 3/4 inch tweeters in their custom in their bags here. So there's the first one, and we'll give you a closer look at the tweeters here in just a moment. All right, here's the second one. All right, pair of 2 3/4 inch tweeters. And there's a little bit more stuff in the box here. We'll lift this out as well. This is the wiring harness and the inline crossover, and we'll show you a little bit more about that in just a moment. The Pioneer TS-A709 is a 2 3/4 inch wide range dash tweeter that's designed to be a direct factory replacement upgrade for many different vehicles on the road today. And here are a few examples. It's a drop-in fit replacement dash location speaker for loads of vehicles, including a Chevy Silverado from 2014 to 19, Chevy Tahoe from 2015 to 2020, Chevy Colorado from 2015 to 2022, Chevy Traverse from 2018 to 2022, Toyota Tacoma from 2016 to 2022, Toyota 4Runner from 2009 to 2022, GMC Sierra from 2014 to 2019, GMC Yukon from 2015 to 2020, Hyundai Sonata from 2015 to 2019, Subaru WRX from 2015 to 2022. Upgrading your factory speakers with Pioneer TS-A series speakers requires minimal experience and installation knowledge. This type of dash speaker is easy to replace with a much better speaker. Simply remove the grill and unscrew the original speaker. Replacing factory speakers is the most cost-effective way to improve the sound quality in your ride. The new Pioneer speakers will drop right in. Secure the upgrade speakers using the screws that were holding the factory speakers in place. The TS-A709 is a 4-ohm, two-way, 2 3/4 inch wide range tweeter. Pioneer TS-A series speakers are voiced to sound great working with other Pioneer TS-A series speakers. The metal basket is built to firmly hold the large magnet and motor structure. The speaker cone is made from carbon and mica reinforced injection molded polypropylene. That means it'll stand up to the very harsh environment of being inside a vehicle, and it's still going to sound great. And there is a champagne gold colored 16mm polyether tweeter for high power handling capability and low profile to fit great in those factory locations. The frequency response of this speaker is from 101 Hz to 34,000 Hz. This is the inline HPF, also known as a high pass filter, and it's included in the box with the speakers. This lets only the high frequencies pass through to this speaker. By filtering out the low frequencies, it protects the speaker from low frequency and high power damage. With the inline HPF installed, this wide range tweeter's frequency response is from 850 Hz to 34,000 Hz. And the power handling capability is increased to 450 watts peak and 100 watts RMS. And that is Pioneer's TS-A709, 2 3/4 inch wide range tweeter. And what's in the box?